Automatronics.
ND Automatronics 3D printing industry. ND Automatronics, a passionate and skilled professional servicing sector to provide high-quality 3D printing solutions for businesses and individuals alike. NDA's state-of-the-art technology and expertise allows to transform your ideas and designs into tangible objects, bringing your visions to life. NDA have served several clients across a variety of industries. Our versatile and highly customizable services can accommodate projects of all sizes and complexities. From personalized products to project prototypes, NDA is committed to ensure quality in product and customers' satisfaction. Our works are closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and provide personalized guidance and support, as NDA is here to ensure that your idea is a success. As 3D printing industry, NDA is a manufacturer of prime 3D printers in different scales of size and functionalities. At 3D printing, NDA is dedicated to pushing the boundaries of what's possible with 3D printing, exploring materials, techniques, and applications to deliver innovative solutions that meet the evolving requirements. Follow ND Automatronics in social medias to know and get more up-to-date updates. Thank you.